When you think of probability, what comes to mind?
Chance.
Okay, chance. The likelihood of something happening. What else did you write for the POD?
That's all.
Percentages. Okay?
Fractions.
Fractions. This chapter will be very different than the ones we have finished. Lots of numbers. Probability, how do you think it started?
Someone's like, casino. How many times this will happen? A bunch of graduate students went to casino.
Before that. Started way back in the day. You're on the right track, though.
How many times? Gambling.
Gambling. Probability did actually come about because of gambling. Some not very high moral mathematicians. No, I am not teaching you gambling. I am going to teach you the odds are not in your favor.
Wait, gambling?
The odds are not in your favor. Okay? So, Blake, hopefully we have time to look at you literally have a better chance of being struck by lightning twice than winning the Powerball.
Oh my gosh.
Literally. Okay? So, hopefully we will look at some of those numbers and be like, we need to be good stewards of what God has given us. Okay, so we will talk about some of those things. Okay. Okay. Now we need to be focused. We need to remember I said I'm going to teach it like you've read it. So can somebody, if you need to put these definitions on your own time into your notes, that is up to you. Okay, let's say I am rolling a dice. I am rolling a dice. Okay, so what is a trial when it comes to probability? A random phenomenon. What is actually happening? So this is like a dumb question, but if I'm rolling a dice, what is happening? I'm rolling a dice. Okay? A trial, guys, is what you do. Again, teaching it like you read it, so if you need to put the definitions in later, do that. Now, when you roll a dice, what's an outcome?
A result.
A result?
A value of the random number.
Okay, the outcome is a result. So don't tell me the actual things, but when you roll a dice, what are you looking at? The number, right? The number you roll. Okay, if you've already answered, please do not. What is the sample space? What is the sample space? It's all possible outcomes. So somebody who hasn't answered yet, what are all the possible outcomes we can get from rolling a dice? 1 through 6. Now, here is the correct notation. We put S for sample space. And the weird, the squiggle brackets, what are the real names of these things?
Squiggle brackets.
I don't know. The squiggle brackets, and we'll just put 1, 2, 3, 4. Blake. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? And we're okay so far on those 3 things. Okay. Now, event. I would have to give it to you. That is the problem that you're actually trying to solve. Okay? By definition, though, what's event? Some of the outcomes combined. Okay? So I have to give it to you. So you cannot answer the event right now, guys. You're like, I don't know. It's a collection of outcomes, and it's the question that you're actually asked. So if I ask, roll an odd number, if the question that I ask is to roll an odd number, your event, we usually use E. Someone who hasn't answered yet, what would be the ones I could roll? 1, 3, and 5. Okay. Do you guys understand that you can answer these 3, but you have to wait for me to give you a question to answer this? Okay? Let's try it again, because this will relate to what we're doing. Okay, we're working with M&Ms today. Okay, so Nathan, I have a bag of M&Ms. Okay, I'm picking one out. So what would be the try? Yep, drawing the M&M. What would we be looking at for the outcome? The M&M you pick, right? The M&M you actually pick. Sample space. If you haven't answered yet, what are all the colors I could pick?
Green, blue,
Brown. Okay. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, brown. Red, orange, yellow. No, do not memorize this acronym. You do not need to memorize this acronym. Stop it!
Roy's blubber. Roy blue. This is easy.
Yeah.
Remember Roy Blubber.
Roy G. Blubber.
Okay, so the event question that I am asking you, don't shout it yet. Draw a primary color. Draw a primary color.
Not all art.
No. Yeah.
What?
I was like, don't answer yet, and then you just totally answered.
He was busy thinking about his art.
Blake, what are the primary colors?
Red, yellow, blue.
Okay.
Rubble.
Horrible.
Oh, since I am video, oh wait, is this okay? Do you have any questions on this stuff?
No.
No. Okay. I'm going to stop the videotape. So if you are watching the videotape, there are Peyton in the back. There are 4 definitions we're going to write down after the M&M activity.